coaster full of these ups and downs, these round and rounds. Been climbing up these tracks for so long now, but I feel the drop is getting closer. So for now, we have to keep climbing, just climbing all the way to the top. And really, there's no way that I could ever stop. I'm on autopilot with my sights locked. So when life seems to bring you so low, lower than the depths of the ocean, know that things will come around. For now, hold tight and flow with the motion. Don't try to fight your fate with human forces. The answer's deep in destiny. People, please keep calm and focused. Hopefully you please bear with me. Just bear with me. Just bear with me. Just bear with me. Hopefully you please bear with me. Just bear with me. Yeah. Hopefully you please bear with me. Just bear with me. Just bear with me. Hopefully you please bear with me. Just 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 bear with me.
We gotta keep climbing to the top. Roadblocks for days, but we never stop. I've got my backpack packed to fill, yes, packed with props. Tools in my mind, knowledge to swap. Take me away, leaving me with none. Climb up to the hills, I'm having dinner with the sun. I can't wait to find top feels divine. Patience, my friend, the key is just time. Serene, I'll be at the spot at the top with a fat sack of green. We can contemplate, figure out what this means. I can support, work it out as a team. Race for the storm that's coming. Yeah, I love who you are becoming.